Saving money can be a challenge, but it's an important part of achieving financial success. In this video, we're sharing 10 money-saving tips to help you cut costs and grow your wealth. From cutting expenses and increasing your income to investing in yourself and planning for your future, these tips can help you save more money and achieve your financial goals. If you want to save more money and grow your wealth, these are the money-saving tips you need to know. Watch the video to learn more. Here are the 10 money-saving tips. 1. Cut expenses. One of the easiest ways to save money is to cut expenses. Take a look at your budget and see where you can cut back. For example, if you're spending a lot of money on dining out or subscription services, consider cooking at home or canceling those subscriptions. Additionally, consider things like canceling cable or switching to a cheaper cell phone plan to save money on recurring expenses. You can also save money by shopping around for the best prices on things you need, such as groceries or household items. Every little bit counts, so look for ways to trim your budget wherever you can. 2. Increase your income. Another way to save more money is to increase your income, such as asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or negotiating a higher salary when you start a new job. Alternatively, consider taking on freelance work or selling items you no longer need to bring in extra cash. If you're not sure how to increase your income, consider things like asking for additional responsibilities or skills training at work, or taking on a part-time job or freelance work on the side. Increasing your income can also involve finding ways to monetize your hobbies or skills, such as starting a blog or selling homemade items online. 3. Make a budget. A budget is a crucial tool for saving money, as it helps you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Make sure to create a budget and stick to it to help you save more money. Consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and see where your money is going. Make sure to include all of your income and expenses, including fixed expenses like rent and mortgage payments, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. A budget can also help you identify areas where you're overspending, such as dining out or shopping, and give you an opportunity to cut back. 4. Save automatically. Saving can be easier if you set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you can save money without having to think about it. Consider setting up automatic transfers for a certain amount each month or pay period to help you save consistently. You can also set up automatic savings for specific goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or a down payment on a house. Automatic saving can help you save more money because it removes the temptation to spend the money instead. 5. Use cash. Using cash can help you save money because it's a tangible reminder of how much you're spending. Consider using cash for everyday purchases instead of using a credit card, which can be easy to overspend on. Using cash can also help you stick to your budget because you can see how much money you have left as you spend it. 6. Shop around. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best deals on items you need. Comparison shopping can help you save money on everything from groceries to big-ticket items like appliances and electronics. Consider using price comparison websites or apps to find the best prices, or negotiate for a better deal if you're making a big purchase. 7. Don't pay for things you don't need. It's easy to waste money on things you don't really need, so make sure to think twice before making a purchase. Consider whether the item is a necessity or a luxury, and ask yourself if you really need it. If you're not sure, try waiting a few days before making the purchase to see if you still want it. This can help you save money by avoiding impulse buys. 8. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can help you save money in the long run. Consider things like continuing your education or obtaining a certification to help you qualify for higher-paying jobs or start a business. Investing in yourself can also involve things like improving your skills or learning a new hobby, which can lead to new opportunities and help you save money by keeping you engaged and motivated. 9. Plan for the future. Saving for the future is an important part of financial success, so make sure to set long-term goals and create a plan to achieve them. Consider things like saving for retirement, paying off student loans, or buying a house. Planning for the future can help you save more money because it gives you a clear direction and helps you prioritize your financial goals. Make sure to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to help you stay on track. 10. Seek financial advice. If you're not sure how to save money or achieve your financial goals, it's important to seek out advice from a financial professional. A financial advisor can help you create a plan and provide guidance on things like budgeting, saving, and investing. They can also help you understand the difference between financial products and options available, such as investment accounts or insurance, and help you make informed decisions about your money. Don't be afraid to seek out financial advice. It can be a valuable resource for saving more money and achieving your financial goals. We hope these 10 money-saving tips have been helpful and give you some ideas for how to save more money and achieve your financial goals. Remember, saving money is an ongoing process, and it's important to be proactive and make smart financial decisions to help you grow your wealth. With a little planning and discipline, you can save more money and set yourself up for financial success. Don't let financial challenges hold you back. Take control of your money and make the most of it. You have the power to achieve your financial dreams, so don't give up and keep moving forward. With a little effort and determination, you can save more money and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos from us.